Keep going, baby. Look at what a big girl you are. Look at you. Pushing your little baby. You having fun? Yeah. Alright, okay. Hold on. Let's set it up. Okay, here you go. You got it? Got it? Okay, there you go. Okay. Keep pushing. You don't want to push anymore? What are you doing? Here. I'll just put that behind you. Shanna. Will you have fun with the high chair instead? Rosie. She's trying to do chin-ups. Look at you. Right behind you. Right behind you. Here. Take that. Alright, push. Push your little baby. Go ahead. Yay! Look at you go. Let's get good view. Go ahead, keep pushing. Yay! Keep your feet flat. And push in your little baby. Want to take the baby out? Ha! Oh, wait, no, we have to keep the baby upright. Uh-oh, roadblock. Oh, he kind of turned there. Would you stop to watch Sesame Street on TV? You go push your baby out. The baby's on the floor. Get the baby. Yay! Do you like your new stroller? Oh, roadblock. Wait. Hey. Careful, hold on. Hold on. Okay. There you go. What you looking for? Hi. Oh. Where you going? You're gonna go right up close, aren't you? You're not supposed to get that close to the TV.